Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to classes again. Students, this is your basically reinforcement lecture. Today we are going to start the revision of final term, and the chapter from which we are going to start is chapter number 9, algebraic expressions. Okay, now as you know, the exercises which are included in final term from chapter number 9 is 9.8, 9.9, 9.10, 11 and 12. 9.9, 10, 11 and 12, right? 9.9, 10, 11 and 12 are the exercises that are included in 9.9, 10, 11 and 12 are the exercises which are included in final term, right? Yeah. So this is the chapter from algebra section and I am your math teacher, Ms. Falak Nas. So let's begin. Okay, now what is our lecture content today? Number one, we are going to learn about the multiplication of simple algebraic expression. Then we will learn about law of power of what? Law of power of product. And just a minute. Then we will solve some questions from exercise number 9.9. Okay, understand? So these are the topic that we are going to do today. Let's start from multiplication of simple algebraic expressions. Okay, you know what are algebraic expressions? That contains coefficients, variable powers along with plus and minus sign. So are composed of different types of terms, so that will be algebraic expression. So if you are going to multiply any algebraic expression, so what will be the criteria for this? Now look at here. In multiplication of simple algebraic expressions, okay, if you are going to multiply any algebraic expressions, coefficient and variables, okay, what you will do, coefficients and variables are multiplied together, means you will multiply coefficient with the coefficient and variable with the variable, but separately. You will separately multiply coefficient as well as you will multiply variables separately. Understand? Is it clear? So separately you are going to multiply all this thing together, right? Now let's give some example here. Just suppose here you have an example, find the product of 4x is and 5y. Means here you have to multiply 4x with 5y. So as you can see, this 4 is basically coefficient and this x and y are basically variables. So what you have learned today, that coefficients will be multiplied separately and variables also. So what you will do, you will place the sign of dot in between. This dot basically represent multiplication. So what you are going to do, you are going to multiply 4x with the 5x, 5y. So 4 and 5 are coefficients. So you will multiply coefficient with the coefficient, means 4 multiplied by 5 dot, and variable with the variable, that is x multiplied by 5. So 4 multiplied by 5 will be 20, and variable, when you will multiply different variables say, so you will copy down it as it is, that are x, y. Okay, so multiplication, in multiplication you will multiply coefficients as well as variables. Okay, here you have different variables, so you will simply copy it down as it is. Next, here you have find the product of 5p, 2q and 3x. Okay, here what you have, 5, 2 and 3 here are coefficients. Okay, and variables here are p, q and this x. Okay, so variables will be multiplied separately as well as coefficient. So this is the way to write it down, 5p multiplied by 2q multiplied by 3x. Okay, now separately you will multiply coefficients. So if you will write 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and then all the variables, as you can see, variables are different here, p, q and x. So what will be the answer? 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10 and 10 multiplied by 3 will be 30. So what you will write here, answer will be 30, and then your variables that are different, you will copy it down as it is, which are p, q and x. Okay. So this is the way to multiply any simple algebraic expressions, but here the variables are different. Next is what? Law of power of product means what will be the power of products law? Now look at here. In multiplication, just a minute. No, do not copy down anything in your, do not copy down anything. Okay, this is not your copy work. This is just explanation. Okay. In multiplication of simple algebraic expressions, okay, when you are going to multiply simple algebraic expressions, powers of the, okay, what powers of the same variables are added together. Okay, I am repeating again. If you are going to multiply algebraic expressions, so if the variables are same, so what you will do, you will add their powers, only the same variables power. Previously we were not adding any power because variables were different there, but if the variables are same, so when you are going to multiply the same variable, so what criteria you will follow, you will add their powers. Okay, now look at here. Just suppose this is an example where you have to find out the product of this one. Means you have to multiply a square with a. Okay. Variables are same, but the power of a here is 2 and the power of a here is 1. Okay, so when you are going to multiply same variable, so what you will do, you will write down your variable only one time, which is same variable. Okay, a multiplied by a will be a, right? A multiplied by a will be a, and then you will add their powers, which are 2 plus 1. When you will add, when you the variables are multiplying. Okay, so what will be the answer here? A cube. What will be the answer here? A cube, right? Now next is example, another example, which is 3x and 6x. Okay, here you have to multiply 3x and 6x. Okay, same criteria you will follow. You will multiply coefficient with the coefficient and variable with the variable, but as you can see variables are same, so what you will do, you will add their powers. Right, now look at here. What you will write, you will simply write 3x multiplied by 6x. This brackets represent multiplication. Okay, this bracket represent multiplication. Okay, so what you will do, you will multiply the coefficients separately, just like this. You will write 3 multiplied by 6, sign of multiplication, and when you are going to multiply x with the x, so you will write x only one time and then simply add the powers. Nothing is written, so you will say that power of x here is 1. Similarly, power of x here is 1. So 1 plus 1, what it will be? 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. Okay, 3 multiplied by 6 is 18, and x and 1 plus 1 will be 2. So answer will be 18x square. Okay, what will be the answer? 18x square. Very good, Miram. Onshir, your answer was wrong. Right? Let's take another example here. xy and xy. Okay, powers add होती है Raja Rizwan. If the variables are same, their powers will be add. Okay, you will add their powers. Variables को add नहीं, powers को add करेंगे. Here again you can see coefficient. If I'm going to talk about what is the coefficient here, so can anyone tell me what will be the coefficient here? Can anyone tell me what will be the coefficient here? Coefficient. Coefficient is the number. Any number here? X, Y are variables, beta. What is the coefficient? No coefficient. Nothing is written here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If nothing is written, so we will say that our coefficient here is 1. Okay, what you will say that coefficient here is 1, right? Coefficient here is 1. Understand? Similarly, if nothing is written here, so powers of these variables are 1 as well. Understand? Just a minute. Now, what you will do, you will simply multiply variables with the variables, means xy multiply by xy. Inside the bracket, you are going to write it down, right? Then what you will do, you will write here same variable. So when you are going to multiply this x with the x, you will write it down only one time, but add their powers, which are 1 plus 1. Similarly, y is going to multiply with the y, so you will write down y only one time, and then you will add their powers, which is 1 plus 1, right? And then the answer will be x squared y squared. This is your final answer. Is it clear? Please tell me. If it is clear, then we will move on to the next topic. Move. Should I move on to the next topic? Hmm? Please reply. Yes, in divide power will be subtracted and in multiplication power will be added, right? Is it clear? Okay, thank you. Now we are moving towards the next one, the last topic, or simply we are going to solve our exercise number 9.9. Few questions I am going to tell you how you will solve it, exercise number 9.9, and then I will show you the index, and then you will attempt some questions from exercise number 9.9. But before that, I am going to explain the example. Now, what is the question here? Find the product. Okay, what you have to find here, find the product of the following algebraic expressions. Mean you have to find out the product. Now look at here, what is this one? Here you have 4xy. Okay, and this single term, one term you are going to multiply with this whole term which contains two terms. Okay, now how will you going to solve it? I'm going to explain it with example. So just a minute. No, do not do this work in algebra copy, beta. This is not your classwork. Okay, this is just example. So please do not do it. Okay, please tell me, is it clear? Hmm? Okay, now I'm going to start it. Look at here. Please do not do this work in copy. Okay, do not do this work in copy. Now listen. What is this? This is the topic from exercise number 9.9, and here you have to find out the product. These questions are very important, so you have to listen it very carefully. Okay, these are the very important topics. Now look at here. How will you do? First, you will write down the heading of solution here. Okay, first you will write down the solution heading here. Then simply, okay, now listen, steps are very important when you are going to do anything in subjective portion. So each and every step has marks. Okay, so do not miss any step. Okay, do not miss any step. Now look at here, what is question here? 4xy, and you are going to multiply this with the whole term. Obviously in between them there is a comma, so in the first step you will remove this comma and you will write it down in this way. You are going to multiply this 4xy with this whole bracket, which is 4x plus 5xy, right? No, do not do this work in copy. This is example. Okay, this is example. Do not do this work in copy. This is not your copy work. Just listen to me very carefully. Okay. Now, what you will do, what does it mean? This is one term, and inside the bracket, you have two terms. So, what you will do, simply you have to multiply this single term with the terms which are written inside it. Means you are going to multiply this 4xy with the 4x, as well as you have to multiply it with the 5xy, right? 4xy should be multiplied with both the terms which is written inside the bracket. This bracket explains that you are going to multiply this single term with the terms which are present inside the bracket. Understand? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to separately multiply each term with 4xy. Just suppose I'm going to write inside the bracket. First, I'm going to multiply this 4xy. This is a sign of multiplication. This 4xy with this 4x. Students, just listen to me. What I'm going to tell you is steps. Steps are very important here. So please remember what steps are you are going to use here. Okay. Then the sign of addition, you will write here plus. Then again you are going to multiply this 4xy with this one, which is 5xy, but the sign of multiplication here, and then you will write 5xy. Right. Now, as you have learned that coefficient multiplied with the coefficient and same variables powers will be added. So what you will do, you will write here 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16. So you will write here 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16, and same variable. Here you have x and here you have x. So you will write it down here only one times and simply add their power. The powers of x here is 1, here also 1. So I'm going to write here 1 plus 1, and then y. Here you have only one y, so you will copy it down as it is, which is y. Okay. Then sign of addition, then again coefficient with the coefficient. So 4 multiplied by 5 will be 20, and same variable. Here you have same variable x and x, so you will write here x 1 plus 1. Then you have y, so you will write down y only one time, and then you will write 1 plus 1, and at the end you will add their power. So what will be the answer? 16 x 1 plus 1 will be 2, y will remain same, plus 20 x square y square. This is your answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? 4 steps are required here, right? 4 steps are required. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, and 4. Now move on to the next one, this one. Again, what you will do, how will you start with the heading of solution? Okay. Now first you have this comma y, क्योंकि हमारे पास यहाँ 4xy है बेटा. Here we have y ना, so we will write down y here. That's why. Okay. Now next here you have this one, but again first step, remove this comma and simply copy it down. Means you are going to multiply this 4x square y square with this bracket which contains 3x square y minus 2xy square. Right. Now similarly what you will do, you will multiply each term 4x square y square with the each term that is written inside the bracket. So first I'm going to multiply 4x square y square. Multiply करें किससे? From this one, which is 3x square y, bracket close, sign of subtraction here. Okay. Then again I'm going to multiply this 4x square y square. Multiply करने जा रहे हैं किससे? With this one, which is 2x y square, bracket close. Right? We are going to multiply them together. Now you know the criteria. Coefficient will be multiplied with the coefficient. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. You will write here 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Answer will be 12. But variables, now look at here, you have x square and x square. So I'm going to write here x, okay, x square. So I'm going to write here 2, and this one 2 plus 2, right? Then y, here you have y square and y 1. Okay, so you will write here y 2 plus 1, right? Sign of subtraction here. 4 multiplied by 2 is what? 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Again same variable x square and x, so you will write here x, power here is 2 plus 1, then y variables, same variables, so power will be added 2 and 2. So you will write here 2 plus 2. So in the last step, you will simply add their power. So what will be the answer here? 12x, 2 plus 2 will be 4, y, 2 plus 1 will be 3. Okay, minus 8x, 2 plus 1 will be 3, and y, 2 plus 2 will be 4, right? So this will be the answer. Okay, we cannot subtract from 8 from 12 because variables although are same but their powers are different, which is 4 and 3, 3 and 4. Their powers are different, so obviously you cannot subtract it, and this will be your final answer. Now I'm going to answer the questions that you were asking during the lecture. Just a minute. Haya, I have come. You have done 9.9 in your copy. Please check your copy very carefully. We have done it. Okay. Raja, okay. Obviously, y and answer में आएगा because y also will multiply it, na? So y multiply by nothing is here. So you will simply copy down y. Okay, Raja? Understand? Actually, you are confused here, right? Means you are thinking that here you have only y, so you will not copy down here y. No, you will simply copy down y here. Nothing is written here, so simply you will copy down y. No need to add the power here. Okay. Okay, Rajana, please tell me, is it clear? And all of you, please tell me, is it clear, so that we can start our classwork. Okay, now everyone, please do the revision work in math classwork copy. 300 pages की आपकी math की copy होगी, and you have to attempt the math, all the revision work in math copy. Everyone, right? Okay, so if we have done this, so these are the questions that I have explained to you all. Now, what I am requesting from you all to is to bring your math copy or take out your math copies. Everyone, take out your math class for copy, which is of 300 pages, and start index from a new page. If you do not have index, new page index, so you can start from the same page. But before that, everyone, please turn on your video so that I can see where you are going to write down your index. Everyone, please turn your videos on so that I can. Okay, now everyone, please start solving it. This is your final term revision index. Exercise number 9.9, question number 3, 6, and 16. Exercise number 9.9 is on page number 127. Is on page number 127. Now, as you can see, this is Miram's work. Yes. 3, 6, and 16. Very good. Now start your work. Everyone, hurry up. Write down the question. Find the product of the following algebraic expressions. Very good. बेटा प्लीज वीडियोस ऑन तो कीजिए. Find the product of the following algebraic expressions. Hurry up. Very good. Now write down question number 3. Write down index question number 3. Yes. Now what is your question number 3? X, Y, comma. xy comma 4x plus 5xy. Very good. Yes, very good. Write down the start with the heading of solution. Now in the first step, you will remove the comma. Simply remove the comma and then write down the whole equation without comma. Yes, xy bracket 4x plus 5xy. Very good. Now multiply xy with 4x individually in a separate bracket. Yes, xy dot, very good, 4x brackets. Very good. Sign of addition. Then xy. Done? Yes. Now simply you will write 4 first. 4 multiplied by 1 will be 4. Answer will be 4. Yes, right, 4. Then variable x, power set कीजिए 1 plus 1 and y simply, yes, very good, 5x 1 plus 1. Very good. Now simply add the powers. Y. Very good. Now start the next one. Students, please turn your camera. Turn on your camera. Who is this? Iman doing. Iman, still you are starting your work very late, beta. Beta, start your work. You all of you are too late. Okay, now do question number 6, which is 4x square y square. You may start from the same page. Meeram, start from the same page. Yes, वहीं से start कीजिए. Beta, please do it fast. Iman, you are too late. Hurry up, students. Very good. Very good. In the first step, what you will do, you will remove the comma only. This is the first step and this step is important. Okay. Now in the second step, you will multiply the one term with both the terms which are inside the bracket. X square y bracket close minus, yes. Okay. 4x square y square okay. Minus नहीं आएगा बेटा, यहाँ पे dot आएगा. Before 2, yes. 2x y square. Bracket close कीजिए. Now multiply it. Very good. Student, please do it fast, and when you will done, so please tell me. Okay. Meeram, just a minute. Meeram, just a minute. Just a minute. Last step. Show the last step. Meeram, show the last step. You have to add the powers. The variable here you have x square to x 2 plus 2. 2 plus 1. But it will be 2 plus 1. Y की power 1 है. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Okay. Similarly, it will be 2 plus 1. X square 8. X 2 plus 1. 8x 2 plus 1 and y 2 plus 2. Yes, now solve it. Where is the sign of equality? Please solve it. Now write down the answer, then start your next question, okay? Everyone, please be attentive, and those who have done, please do it fast. I'm going to check each and every one answer, okay? Talha Javed of class 8A, what are you doing here? Talha Javed, class 8A. Beta, what are you doing here? This is not your class. Talha, please reply. Who are you, Talha Javed? If you are not replying, then I'm going to put you in waiting room. Talha Javed. Okay, Talha, I'm going to put you in waiting room. That's it. Very good. Now what you will do inside the bracket, first replace a comma in the first step. Remove the comma. Very good. The second bracket, yes, write it down inside the bracket a square, b square, c square dot ab. Bracket close, minus bracket, again a square, b square, c square dot bc. Dot, beta dot. Bracket close, again minus sign. Now again repeat the same step, a square, b square. Time is running out, so you have to complete this work, okay? Ca. Very good. Now simply add their powers. You write a, you will write here a, 2 plus 1. Very good. Now b, 2 plus 1, and c, simple. No, c square, only c square. That's it. Minus